The HP 2025 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop with Office Pro lifetime license delivers powerful performance and unbeatable productivity features. I have provided the link to this laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i3-1315U processor, it runs up to 4.5 GHz using Intel Turbo Boost technology, giving you strong, responsive computing power whether you're multitasking, streaming, or tackling office workloads. This HP laptop features a spacious 15.6-inch HD touchscreen with anti-glare coating and micro-edge design, giving you a vibrant, immersive viewing experience with minimized reflections, perfect for extended screen time or multi-monitor setups. Backed by Intel UHD graphics, it delivers reliable visual performance for both everyday tasks and light creative work. Plus, the ultra-responsive touchscreen lets you navigate and interact with ease, whether you're designing presentations or simply browsing the web. One of the standout features is the massive 32 GB of RAM, which ensures lightning-fast multitasking with zero slowdowns. Combined with a large 1 TB SSD, you'll enjoy blazing fast boot times and plenty of space for documents, apps, and multimedia files, 15 times faster than traditional hard drives. This combination of speed and capacity means you can open large files, run demanding applications, and switch between programs without a hitch. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering robust business-class security features, enhanced productivity tools, and a smoother user experience. What's more, it includes a full Microsoft Office Pro lifetime license, so you'll have permanent access to essential apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, ideal for professionals, students, and entrepreneurs alike. You'll never have to worry about paying for Office updates again. Additional perks include HP Fast Charge technology, which powers your laptop from 0% to 50% in about 45 minutes. Great for people on the move. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 support, and enjoy crisp video calls with the HP True Vision HD webcam, even in low-light environments. Whether you're working remotely, attending classes, or collaborating online, this device has everything to keep you ahead. With powerful performance, a premium build, lifetime office tools, and pro-level features, the HP 2025 touchscreen laptop is a smart investment for anyone needing both productivity and convenience. I have provided the link to this laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs.